In the previous video, we have seen how to add the users to our Genomio site. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to add the contents or the files to our course. Now, to add the contents, first of all, go to your Genomio site that you have created, log in as admin, and then go to the course that you have created. Now, I have already created a course that is OP. Inside the course, here we are going to now add the topic and the contents under the course. So first of all, my first topic is Introduction to Object Oriented Programming, that is OOP. How to add that? Just click on Settings, turn the editing on. I have already done editing on. After doing this, click on the topic 1 icon and the pencil icon. It will be allow us to rename the topic. So I am giving the name to my topic as Introduction to OOP and just press the enter. Your first topic has been created. Now under this topic you can add the contents of this topic. Similarly, you can create the second topic. For example, polymorphism is my second topic. Press and enter. Again, we can create the third topic. For example, inheritance. Press enter. Likewise, you can create multiple topics into your course. Now, how to add the contents to the particular topic? So first of all, click on the add activity or resource button under the topic in which you want to add the contents. After clicking, you will be redirected to the window where you can add an activity or resource. So from this, scroll down and just select the file option and click on add button. Once you click on add button, the file will be get added. Now it will ask, or we have to fill the information about the file that we want to upload. For example, the name of the file that we are going to upload, and I am giving here difference between C and C++. Description of the topic, it is an optional part, so if you don't add, it's okay. Now here you have to upload the file that you want to add. For uploading, just click on this arrow button, click on upload a file. Under that, click on choose file. So it will be redirect you to the content into of your system. From the system, you can select the particular file that you want to add. For example, I am adding a Word file and save this file as C versus C++ and click on upload this file. After uploading, the file will be get added under the course. Now, there are some common settings that you can make for accessing this particular file that you have uploaded. For example, appearance. Here you can set automatic appearance to be seen the file automatically or download it. Next, common module second. Next, activity completion. Now in activity completion, there will be two options. The first option is student can manually mark the activity as completed or show activity as complete when conditions are met. The difference between this is, if we select this option, that is student can manually mark the activity as completed, then the student, if he doesn't open the file, then also he can mark this file as to be read. And if we select the second option, that is show activity as complete when the conditions are met, under this the student have to compulsorily view that file unless and until it will not be considered to be checked. So I will select the second option. Then I will press on save and return to course button. After saving, you can see under the topic introduction to OOP, a file has been added the named as difference between C and C++. Now if I click on this file, it will be directly downloaded into the system and this will be marked once it has been downloaded. So in this way you can add a simple file to your topic. In the coming videos we will see the different types of files or different types of methods where we can upload the different things under the topic of our Genomium Moodle. Thank you.